Ngew, 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 ngew. Wow, aku punya 140 drop RAM. Makasih OBS. Hello, wow, GG Giring sama Menub, yes, I know. This is crazy, this is cool news. Oh my god. Ini pertama kali aku nyoba stream desktop pakai Linux by the way. Lihat keren nggak desktop aku? Wah, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, wah. Hyperland user nerd gak sih BTW? Oh my god. Yo, so sudahlah gepeng. Apanya yang gepeng? Apa yang gepeng? Wow, gigi giring. Oh my god. Apa yang gepeng? Oh ya BTW, ini wallpapernya ya, ya, kreditnya ada di sini di bawah. Alah, gololo. Aku buka stream. Ini di HP dulu. Buat lihat komen. BTW itu yang buka mulut ketawa itu emoji apa sih? Lah, aku nggak pernah ketemu soalnya. Emoji ketawa-ketawa gitu yang warna biru itu. Jadi hari ini aku nak ngapain? Hari ini sambil ngetes. Aku pengen sambil nunggu kalau ada orang yang pada mau datang, aku main Codewars. Habis itu baru mungkin 15 menit atau setengah jam lagi aku pengen ngedit Dotfile. Specifically aku pengen update Dotfile window manager aku yang namanya Hyprland. Bukan window manager aku yang aku pakai. Masa aku bikin WM gila. Aku pengen update config Hyprland aku yang sekarang tuh masih pakai format lama. Soalnya mereka udah ganti ke Lua kayak yang ada di thumbnail. Ini masih format lama semua nih. Tapi itu tunggu udah pada banyak yang datang dulu. Jadi sebelum itu aku pengen keringin badan dulu guys. Soalnya aku udah washed up banget. Udah lama nggak main Code Wars. Wih, auto login. Gila. Nah kan, gila. Udah ada yang overtake aku ya. Dulu aku posisi keempat di sini. Ini siapa ya? Fredo PZ ya. Hmm, stalking dulu ah. Buset. Oke. Actually, I don't know if this is a good idea. Ya, to be fair, kalau dia pasang mukanya sendiri di profile GitHub-nya, aku asumsi dia memang pengen itu publik. So, semoga it's okay. Sorry ya kalau Anda nggak pengen muka Anda kelihatan di stream. Kalau dia nonton. Walah, baru belajar tahun ini kah dia? Oh, baru aktif lagi tahun ini ya. Terakhir ada dari tahun 2024. Wih, kursor aku aja masuk stream, gila, mantap sih. OBS, Hyperland, Pipewire script, screen capture, semuanya gokil. Anyway, soalnya aku udah washed up as hell. Kayaknya aku nggak bisa ngerjain soal yang difficulty-nya hydrogen bomb. Jadi aku mulai dari Coughing Baby aja dulu, pengen kerjain itu tiga soal. 18Q, habis itu kerjain yang 17Q, terus kerjain 6Q, terus ya kalau masih gabut ngerjain yang 5Q, kalau nggak gabut lagi langsung mulai update config. Indra, itu emojinya namanya apa anjir? Aku nggak tahu loh, sumpah. Yang buka mulut warna biru itu. Sumpah, aku dari dulu pengen tahu itu emojinya namanya apa, tapi aku nggak pernah ketemu. Soalnya yang ketawa itu kalau aku posting emoji ketawa biasanya yang muncul tuh emoji yang bawaan Android gitu, atau bawaan OS. Bukan yang warna biru itu. Kayak sumpah aku nggak tahu itu emoji apa. Apa nih? Expressions matter. Buset, implemented di berapa bahasa nih? 5 kali 9, 45, 47. Buset. Kerjain dirasa. Eh aku siapin repo kosong nih. Hmm, cargo new Codewars doang. Buset. Ini repository. Oh ya, web GitHub aku. Ingat gak waktu aku bingung kenapa apa sih namanya? LSP-nya gak activate. Terus aku lihat di kiri atas restricted mode, anjay ya Allah lah. Support all, halo, halo, halo. Let's go, ya. Okay, let's go. Alright, let's move out. Oh, nggak bisa shortcutnya, nggak jalan karena di listen sama web Codewarsnya. Oke, ini soal apa? Copy dulu. Apa nih? Expressions matter. Eh, Oke, ada 3 angka. Terus apa? Compute, angka paling gede, habis nyusupin plus kali atau kurung. Sama kurung di antara 3 dari mereka kah? Oke, pasti ada 3 angka ya? Ini selalu kombinasi paling gede ya? Selalu nggak sih? Selalu atau enggak ya? Angka yang kecil ditambah dikali angka yang paling gede. Iya nggak sih? Oh ya, BTW guys, kalau ada yang nanya nih, eh tulisannya kurang gede. Itu streamnya ada di, apa sih, resolusi streamnya aku set sampai 1440p. Jadi kalian tinggal set 1440p terus zoom aja. Kudunya bisa di zoom tanpa kualitinya drop terlalu gede. Semoga ya, aku nggak tahu nih, aku pengen YOLO, aku asumsi kalau misalnya combo ini tuh selalu benar. Kalau 2 angka yang paling kecil ditambah duluan, terus dikali angka yang paling besar itu bakal ngehasilin, eee, hasil yang paling gede. Aku ngomong apa sih? Polish. Jadi, eee harusnya tinggal urutin dulu gak sih? Angka yang mana yang paling gede? Mmm, don't know what I'm doing, but let's try. Oh my god. Oh ya, BTW, I am kind of washed, so please do not ask me why I cannot think. Aku udah berapa bulan ya nggak main Codewars. Nggak tahu ya, last kata aku kapan ya? Nggak dikasih lihat lagi. Kapan? Kapan? Nggak tahu kapan, tapi seingat aku udah 3-4 bulan. Bro, you think this is appropriately rated? I don't even know why I typed this. Holy crap. Yeah, I should not. I probably should just. Can I even do this? Oh, I am apparently dumb. I should do this. And then yeah. Oh my lord. Uh so the nums, and I'll just do nums dot sort, I guess. That means this has to be mutable, I'm pretty sure. And then I'll just do C times A plus B. Does this work? Use sort on primitive type. Oh, okay. I didn't know. It's fine. Also, why am I? Oh my lord, I am actually dumb. That should be the largest number. Uh, there you go. Fixed all the lins and oh my lord. I am actually washed. Now, the question is this case always valid? Like, of course not. Or did I just do something wrong? Also, where in the test case is this failing? It's fell on the third one. That's because it is. It's 112, no? So that's 2 times 1 plus 1. Why is it wrong? Bro, it's not wrong. Oh, I probably failed on this one. Yeah. So this one's 3. Why? Because it's 111. What happened here? 1, 2. Okay. That's a problem. Oh, I can. Bruh. I can only. No, not I can only, but like. Yeah, I can only use one of the operators. I thought I had to use all of them. Well, then ops. This will not be. What's best? So. Do I still brute this though? So we'll just say something like multiplied equals nums dot. What does it collect? No, reduce. Oh my goodness me. Do they have mul? I'm curious. No. Reduce. It's actually fold, I think. Bro, why? Oh my, oh my lord. What the what? Why am I not able to multiply this? What the heck? Without reordering the operands. Oh yeah, that's actually true. Holy fuck. Oh, that makes a lot of sense now. Holy crap. Oh my lord, I am washed. Holy shiz. How do I do every one of them though? I cannot do every one of them. Now I'm not sure how to estimate what is larger. Or what is the largest? Um all add is impossible, no? Let's see how many this gets. I'm not sure how to think about this. I'm not sure how many this will get. I mean, there is supposed to be an easy way out of this. You think I could get away with just doing that? Then I'll just try. Because I should run out. If you say that, then I should run out of it pretty soon. So okay, so this one's the all add one. So I missed that. Should probably do add this here so I don't have to copy paste all the time. And I actually forgot that you could do this now, which is quite convenient. Really? Really? Oh my god. I mean, apparently there's only 4. Could there only be like 3? I don't think so, no? There must be at least 4. I don't think it's 3. No, it might be 4 actually. So yeah, so you're right, there is an easy way out of that. That's true. Oh yeah, and this is like what I was trying to aim for, but I'm just dumb. I was trying to be too clever, but apparently this guy is the actual clever one. So yeah, there's only 4 apparently. Yeah, there's only 4. Now let's do 7. That was embarrassing. Not a good start. What is this? Stackables 2D. And of course it's not available in Rust. Nota turu saya. Oh my god, I forgot to answer. Sorry banget. Oh, GG Giring. Ini bukan soal 8Q. Enggak. Kayaknya itu soal 8Q ya. I'm just dumb. Enggak, about all. Kayaknya itu emang soal 7Q deh. 8 yang tadi. I'm pretty sure. I am pretty sure. Java deh, why not? just to torture myself. Get scratch pad. I don't know what I was trying to do. Oh, formatting for something else. I've stacked some ball pools in a triangle. You can't even read. I've stacked some pool balls in a triangle. Like this. Given how many layers? Given the number of layers in stack, what is the total height? Oh, there should be just like a formula. Okay, I want to read chat. I want to read you, Medlu. I want to try to see if I could actually not embarrass myself this time. So, what's the... Bro, why? Oh my lord. There you go. What's the test case? 2. 2 and 1. Wait, 1.866? I've stacked some full balls in a triangle. Given the number of layers in my stack, what is the total height? So this is 2, this is 3. Why is it 0.866? Wait, is that a clue? That might be a clue, actually. So that means that's 2 minus... yeah, that might be a clue, actually. That means within a... like, 2 of these, because they're not perfectly on top of each other, that means like there's this gap right here. No, I mean like it's subtracted by like a small portion of the ball, like the cap of the ball, which just makes sense. And then if it's 3 layers, then it would be 3 subtracted by 2 of those things. I could cheat here, I think. So this means if it's 3 layers, that means it's like, you know, the 2 minus 1.866 happens twice, right? Could cheat here, I think. I mean, I could just try. Why not? Could just try. You could just try. You could just try. But anyway, this is also should actually be 1.867 or something, so that's like one. Uh, in no. What's the return? Double, middle, overlap height equals. Why have I done this? I could just do 1 divided by something to get that value. There you go. I got that. Why is that actually? If it's 0.8 divided by 6. 8 divided by 60. It's 4 divided by 30. It's 2 divided by 15. Oh, yeah. I'm not really sure if this will work. So that means like just subtract by that 5 layers means it happens 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 2 layers means it happens 1 time. 3, 1, 2. So all I have to do supposedly is the number of layers minus overlap height times layers minus 1. Supposedly, okay, supposedly. I mean, I'm not really sure. Now, obviously, that's going to be correct for this, but is it correct for this? No, it is off by a what? Oh, it's 0 layers. Is it this one? Oh yeah, that's true actually. So random test 1, 66 layers. So it's like there's a small precision problem. So I have to cover for the 0 case also. And also 1 actually. No, 1 is fine, no, because like layers minus 1 is 0. But 0 is 0 minus 0 minus 1. Minus 1 is that becomes the overlap height. Oh yeah, that's why. What? Yeah, I'm too dumb for this. I'm just gonna say so it looks like I have to adjust this a small amount. Because it's not exactly 1.866. I would love to actually know if this actually could be calculated. Actually, wait a minute. If I could draw a triangle between like 2 of these balls, could actually kind of make out. Wait a minute. Can this actually be figured out? Looks like this point should be, I'm curious. I know this is just not useless knowledge, but like I kind of want to figure that out actually. I'm just curious that if I have 3 balls, and I have like a triangle here. I'm just curious actually. Because I'm pretty sure there's a way to math this out. Like, it looks like it would have to have a way to math it out. Like that, no? That should be like a perfect triangle. I mean, perfect. Yeah, that's why the Excalibur is not the right tool for that. Because it's not perfectly circular. Now, where is the circle tool? Oh, that's the gradient. Oh my lord. And there's the circle tool. So if I have like 3 of these. Not sure how to align them. But I should be able to. Where's red? Why do something like this? Click to set fill. No, I think my assumption is wrong actually. Actually, no, yeah, I think my assumption is not right. I thought I would make a perfect, like, triangle. It actually does not. I don't think it's close to it actually, so I'm just gonna cheat because I cannot math it out. So 9 layers expected 7.92820. So let's just check the discrepancy. So that means that was 9 minus this value. Okay, and then I gotta divide that by 8, no? Yeah? I mean, that's kind of cheaty. Wait, there is a way to math it out. It's just not what I thought of. Yeah, there is a way to math that out. That's really weird. It is since it is a sine of 60 degrees. Could also be what? Square root of 3? No, I don't believe this. I think this is just a shortcut. I think the right way is this. Or could it be the sine of 60? Height of this. So that means the angle that it hits it's like 60, and then you, to get the height component, let me go back here actually. So no fill but has a stroke. No fill but has a stroke. Hey. Has a stroke, no fill. So that means there's like something 60 degrees. Where is the thing? Where's pen? I don't know where the pen tool is. Oh, I guess it's this. So let me just draw a box and rotate it by 60. If that's possible. Actually, I could just do this. That's a line. We rotate by 60. Sure, that's no. Oh, there you go. So that's 1. So that's 60. Or like 30 is, I guess, fine. Oh! Oh! Actually, I think I get it. It's like the angle at which two of the balls meet at. Like they cross at 30, because like if I get this all, and I rotate it, then they will be straight, right? Yeah, and then from this thing you can get either the either this component or this component. So what I assume happened is that sine of 60 degrees would like take where is that? Where's the answer? I think I get it. It would be like, bro. So like the layers minus 1 thing that was how that I was trying to figure out is like, it would be basically taking the vertical component of this vector, which would be the overlap height between the two balls. No? But then how do you know how long that is? I'm not sure. Like, how do you know how long that is? Oh, of pi divided by 3. Okay, that makes sense. But what? No, that makes sense that it is operating on a number. But how do you get this number? Raspberry Pi 3. Yeah, how do you get that number? It's the question. How do you arrive at 1.0 for something before you take the overlap of it? Now that one I don't get. Honestly, I do not get this number that gets plugged into. Wait, 60 degrees. Okay, this it doesn't make sense. 60. Okay. Is it like diameter thingy? No. Oh yeah. So why 60 degrees I do not get yet. Is it because of this? I mean, I guess probably. I'm not even sure what 0 is. In math, 0 degrees points to where? Right side. No, let's just get an image. Well, that's true. So man, that means 60 is this though. Which does not make sense to me. No, this does not make sense. I do not get it. I still actually don't get it. Why he plucks 60 here? I do not get that. Bruh. But I cheated my way through that. And succeeded. Like holy shice. Using the test case to actually find what the overlap is. So let's take a look at a 6th level problem. The Walker. Hell nah, that looks hard. We just talked about angles again. Oh my god. Walker starts from point O, walks on OA, AB and BC. When he's at C, what is C0? What is the angle? Oh, to C in positive degrees. Minutes and seconds? What does that mean, minutes and seconds? TOA is 45. AB is 30 and UBC is 60. What does minutes and second mean? I don't want to do this yet, even though technically this has connection to the last one, if I actually figure that out, but I do not want to math anymore. What is this? Shopping spree? He received P pennies as pocket money and decided to spend them on on-gain items. Use a discount coupon. So what does he want to determine the maximum number of items? Oh, frick. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. The maximum number of items he can get. What we get is the item list and how much he can pay. Oh no. Don't want to do this. I don't want to do this. Holy, what is this? This looks interesting. Data compression using run length encoding. Hey, this is interesting. Yeah, I'll do this. Why not? I will do this. This looks interesting. And actually like useful. Did my keyword run out of battery? What? I got what? My keyboard's like not connected for some reason now. Why? I'm gonna restart it. Oh, there you go. It is back. For some random reason. Yeah, this should be doable, so we are going to do it. RLE. Okay. So interesting that the example imports regex. That means there's a way to do it with regex. Bro, I don't like regex. Oh, I do not like regex. Oh, let's do encode first. So, do I try to not use regex to do it actually? Yeah, let's try not using regex, which would be interesting. uh, A, B, 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 C, 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 D. So, I don't know, let's just say let. Oh my goodness, not let. Can I do this? Is this possible? This is not possible. Oh, this is possible. That's nice. Uh, okay, wait. Hmm. Oh, decode. Decode would be. Hmm. So decode may actually. Decode may actually get. My sound coming through. Oh, yes. Oh, never mind. This is just a consistency check. I thought it could accept having no numbers besides the letters, but apparently it could not. So just process it in pairs. No. Or yeah, I less than I plus minus 2 because it would be parsing the number. So can I append like multiple times? No. So it has to be for input dot char at index character dot. Wait, what? Dude, why am I not getting? Yeah, there you go. Input dot. Let's just do I plus 1 to make it quick. Oh, we do have actually. It's called repeat. Uh, nice. Now what does this do? A, B, 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 C, C, D is right, but 3A definitely is not because I apparently did not do something. Of course. Of course. Oh, I forgot the final case actually. They have no rejects. That's crazy. Like, this freaking looks kinda ugly, but... Oh, man. There's no repeat in that. I got tricked. I got tricked by IntelliJ. For input string A. What? What does it say? So encode A should turn into 1A. But instead it has number format exception. Oh, it's decoding 1A. What? Okay. No, that's weird. What's wrong with this? Hmm. So there's a mistake here. Oh my god. Expected 1A 1B but was A1B. Well, that's not good. Yep. Oh man. That's why. Got tricked by the final case. Crazy. That's large string for input string B. What? Encode AAB. See, this was apparently what was stripping it up. Oh, I forgot. It could be more than. Oh yeah, that's probably why it rejects, because it can detect more than one digit easily. Now that I think about it. But how about I won't use regex and instead scan. Where the digit ends. That means I have to change both of them. Oh my god. Um, no, actually no. I only have to change decode. Send code would be fine. Yeah, encode would be fine. Man, that does mean I have to scan. Uh, I guess 10A1B. For scan, it's one. Character is not alphabetic, so whatever. then it's 2. First it's 1, then stops at 1, then it stops at 2. If it's alphabetic, then get the 10. Set that. No, that's 1 too far. What the heck? No, wait. What? First time it comes, sets it to 1. Sets it here. Second time it comes, set it to 2, which is here. However, this is not alphabetic yet. So third time it comes. Hey, it's 1, you know. Oh my god. Yeah, but what if this is put here? First time it comes, it's not alphabetic, and then it's becomes 1. Second time it comes, it's not alphabetic, it becomes A. Third time it comes, it's alphabetic. And it is correct. It's 10 now. Should be 10. Oh, they ballooned to 6. That's crazy. 65. What the heck does it mean 60? It's 65. What? What's this thing? Oh my god, that's why. That is officially why. It should work. Does it work? Should work. Though I see why not. And it does. What a crazy, without regex. Holy scheisse. And that's why they use regex. That's so short. Somebody looks to have done something kind of like mine, but less complicated. Because I'm just complicated. Anyway, this time, to do some config stuff. Finally, I get to chill and rest and not have to think. That is being changing my Hyprland config from the old config file syntax to the new Lua one. Luaification of Hyprland configs. This is it. This is why I'm doing it, because apparently the guy who made Hyprland, the main dev, does not like the old config syntax anymore, so he actually decided to not only change the syntax, but take it one step above and migrate the config system over to Lua, which is insane. The Lua syntax apparently has been re-engineered from the ground up to be more readable, simpler, and more descriptive. Many Hyperlang-specific methods are completely gone and are replaced by simpler and more intuitive alternatives. On top of that, we introduced a lot of helpers into Lua with timers, events, callbacks, layout data, and more, allowing you to do things not even possible without plugins before. That's cool. So that means, apparently, you have to get straight onto Wiki. And I think for now, what I will do is just do a straight up port and let's see if we can continue to do something about this tomorrow. But for today, it's gonna be a simple conversion. So there is a community made one. I do believe. Isn't there a website? I don't think it's this one. Is it this one? Oh, it's this one, yeah. So first I'm gonna validate the config against the one I have in my dot files. Only one difference, 1.67 to 1.25. Okay. That's fine. I just drop it here. And let's see what it says. And also check it as well. Output nothing, mode preferred, auto, and scale 1.25. That's good. And I guess I'll just get rid of this line. Let's just copy. And like look at this version. In the .files folder. So how do I get an autocomplete? Oh, I can. That's crazy. I'll have to do this at a rc.json apparently. That means if I go to here and say config is located in hyprland.lua. Okay. And I'll paste the other file over in. Did I close the tab? Oh my god. Copy and paste. Oh my god. Yeah, I have stubs. Let's go. Even here? Wow. That is insane. Anyway. Now that I know that is insane, how do I format this? Oh, sorry, auto formatted. Nice. So monitor preferred auto 1.25. Actually, I can also just open this in Vim as well. Is there anything of note from this website? I don't think so. There's only 2 flag. I'm not sure what flag means. Is it like the... Oh, there it is. Oh, that's an unmapped layer rule. No mapping for resize window features. Okay. So I need to get the example config. Oh, it's DSP window resize. Okay. So let's see. HL mouse 273, that's HL DSP or window resize. And then the other to do is something I want to remove anyway, actually. Match namespace, row blur on. Actually, I might get a guide from it in Noctalia. Sorry, V5. Hello. Oh, there you go. So basically, yeah, replace it with that, I guess. And we'll do a really quick check. Monitor, output preferred, auto 1.25. So we'll replace this back with 1.67. 67. Monitor EDP1 save or whatever for now. Okay. Oh, WM non-reparenting, JDE desktop 06. Okay, this is fine. Wait, where is XX? Oh my god, why is it on the end? Exact CMD. So XRDB merge SHC XRDB merge X resources. Okay, 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 that's cool. What's this at the bottom also? Is there like an order at which things need to be at? Like, I don't think so. Oops. Follow mouse, touchpad, natural scroll, false. 0 flat. So hl.conf. Okay, wait. hl.config. Xwayland 40 scaring true. Render, new render scheduling true. Input flow 40 scaling, new render scheduling, US, blah 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 blah. Caps escape, rules, nothing, follow mouse, touchpad, natural scroll false. Okay, this is flat. Then there's another gap. Gaps in, gap subborder size, column inactive, inactive. Layout, allow tearing. Okay, decoration blur, enable size passes, rounding shadow enable false. Okay, animations. Enable true. Now what the hell is this? I'll assume that's because animations have moved down. Yep. I'll just put it here. Yeah, and say like HL curve. Is out clean, is out cubic, linear, almost linear, quick, default animations. Okay, Windows. Windows in. True. 4.1 is out clean pop in 87. Fade in. True almost linear. Fade out. True almost linear. Fade. 303 quicks. Layers. 13.1 ease out quint. There's in true. 4 is out quint fade. Okay, looks right so far. Yeah, looking quite good. Yes, E workspace out, true 4 is out quint slide. Zoom factor 1/7 quick. Nice. Okay, back up then. Okay, so good so far. Now this, I believe, has moved below the animations as well, so. Yep. Same as window rules. New bytecode. Oh, Tylon has become float balls? Really? Okay. Minecraft 1.20, 1.4. Immediate true, HL Linux, immediate true, C# Linux, same, CS2, CSGO. This Steam app, this random Steam app, BeamNG drive. Okay. And then workspace rules. F1 has false, gaps out, gaps in. Match border size 0 for match float 0 and workspace F1 has false. Okay. Layer rule something something. For blurring. And then we get to keybinds. We'll just move this all down below. Global shortcuts. Ooh, that is cool syntax using plus now. Window manager independent hotkeys. Oh, that's really cool. That's actually really cool. Audio volume and mute. Okay, that's nice. Utility hotkeys. Wow, that's really cool syntax. Window manager hotkeys. Toggle pseudo full screen. Move focus. Before we continue, let's actually review carefully. From global shortcuts. Okay, that's simple. Window manager independent. That's also a simple exec command. Audio volume mute is the same thing. Utility hotkey is also the same thing. Now this is where I have to start being careful because that's exit, DSP exit, DSP window close, DSP window kill, that makes sense. DSP window float, toggling, DSP window pseudo, DSP win layout toggle split. Okay, that makes sense. Pseudo full screen, that's DSP window full screen maximize toggle. DSP window full screen toggle. That makes sense. I hope. Move focus. That makes sense. Next is move active window. That makes sense as well, though I don't know why this is LRUD and this is left, right, up, down, but okay. Cycle focus. Cycle next prev. Yeah, that makes sense. Scroll through existing workspaces with main mod plus bracket keys. That makes sense. Move active window to next or previous workspace. Makes sense. Focus origin window. Makes sense. Switch workspaces. Makes sense. Move active window. Makes sense. Move slash resize window. Makes sense. Move floating window. Makes sense. And finally, move or resize windows and drag. Makes sense. So that's a straight port. That should be working. Like, I really hope so. Like, if I copy this into 1.25 instead of 1.67, then I should be gold. And yeah, it screwed my config for now, but it should be working. And I'll like to stop the stream now as well. And continue polishing this in another time. So for this time, it looks like this stream is gonna be over and I will be continuing changing up the config in another time. So looks like no one's watching, but in case somebody is here, bye bye. See you when I continue this.